Let's learn colors with the help of this panda puzzle. This is green color. It's yellow color. This is blue color. It's red color. This is white color. It's a panda. P, a green P, A, an orange A, N, a yellow N, D, a red D, A, a blue A, panda.